How to fix your Instagram story music not working. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix your Instagram story music not working. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to update your Instagram. For that you just have to go in your app store or the play store that you are using, and here you just have to search for the Instagram. Now once you are in, you have to click on it and update your Instagram. So once you update your Instagram, you just have to go back and open up your phone app settings, and from here you have to scroll down, and here is the option of the general. You have to click on it. Now you have to go on the iPhone storage, and if you are in the Android you have to clear the cache of your Instagram. Now you just have to select the Instagram option and open it, and it is the option of the offload app. You have to click on it. Now offloading the Instagram will delete the app but keep all of its documents and the data, so you have to offload it. And in the Android you just have to make sure that you clear the cache of your Instagram, and after that you just have to go back and open up your Instagram application. Now once you are in your Instagram, here you have to click on this plus icon to add a story on, and you just have to go on the story, and here you have to select the story that you want to add in your ad feed. And after that, here in the top there is the option of the music. You just have to click on it, and what you have to do is go in your Wi-Fi and you just have to restart your Wi-Fi. And after that, once you restart your Wi-Fi, you are able to fix your music story. And here you just have to select the music that you want to add, and you just have to click on it. So that's how you can fix your Instagram story music not working. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.